Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm holding is the steel belt you are using to fix the battery module. So we have like shrink tunnel over here, and then this will be like the connection point over here. So recently I got this inquiry of like does the pulling force of this connection point will be bigger than 20,000 Newton. So I think since right now we're on the production of the steel belt, so I think I can directly show you. All right. Show them. You can see this will be the connection point of the steel belt. So right now I am using this equipment to testing the pulling force. You can directly see the numbers over here. Right now there's right now there's a 0 Newton. So yes, you can start. 开始吧。Wow.